Hey guys, here's a 52-inch Hunter original ceiling fan. This is in the white and brass finish and it is a 1990 model. It's 4-blade only. It has reversible pickled oak and white. The pickled oak side is showing, but unfortunately you can't really see it too well because this fan is in terrible condition. This fan is definitely in the top 3 worst conditioned fans that I've worked with. This thing is just gross, it's grimy, it's greasy, and it's really filthy. Not to mention the finish is all tarnishing and peeling off. But it still works just fine mechanically. It makes absolutely no noise and barely any hum. So, whatever. As you can probably guess, this is another one that I got off of Craigslist. This is the third one. This one was installed in the previous owner's kitchen. Sans why it's kind of screwed up a little bit. But this one actually came 100% complete. It even came with the U-bolt and grommet. But anyways, pretty straightforward, but I'll show you right now. Start with low. After the video, I'm definitely going to clean this one up. Also, the blades were really bent up when I got it, but I did bend them back to the appropriate pitch so it doesn't wobble that much. Still has a slight wobble to it though. Switch it up to medium. Just going to show its little wobble that it has. Go up to high speed. I believe just still a little bit bent. It's just fine though, no real noise to it. There's also a piece of glass stuck in the motor housing. It's off. And you can just see, shine the light on it. This thing's in awful shape. Blades are just really deteriorated and gross at the top. Brass is pretty much gone. It's pitted. I really doubt that that's going to come out, but we'll see. There's dirt everywhere on this fan, even in the housing. Top is disgusting, but it still works though. I know a lot of the cheaper, newer fans would have crapped out by this time, but this one still works just fine. Anyways, really not that much else to say about it, but thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video.